Brookshire is joining us today on Kababayan LA. Dati pong kilala bilang Frida Fonda ng Todas sa Pilipinas. I really love that show. Our first caller is on the line. Margot is joining us. Hello, welcome to Kababayan LA.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Miss Frida, I'd like to ask if you could still dance the body language.
Oh.
Dance the...
I don't want to do a demo here.
You are so sexy that time. You are so sexy. I was only, I think, 16 years old, and I was watching. Wow, she is so sexy.
Oh, thank you.
So sexy. Thank you so much, Margot.
Thank you.
Sayang dapat pin-repair natin yung music, hindi magsasayaw si Miss Frida.
Oh my gosh.
Next caller is John. Hi, John.
Hello.
Are you there? Yes, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, this is Brother John from Escovina. I just want to say if she misses the colorful Filipino showbiz life back home, and I remember her from Ala 18 from the Toda show. Thank you very much. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Ala,
hapon.
yeah. Do you miss showbiz in the
Of
Philippines?
course I do.
Yeah. What about it do you miss? The unpredictability?
Yes, the fun, like every week. Like, what are we going to do next week? Or what are we going to do this time?
Right. There's no stability.
Yes.
No? It's parang like you're always in
On the go.
suspense. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
But what don't you miss about it?
I like the creativity, you know, but at the same time, the part that I don't like is the uncertainty.
Right.
Like
right.
you don't know if you're going to have a job next time or not, you know.
Right.
That's the part that I didn't care.
And I suppose on the other side of being a dentist now and having your own practice in Tustin, what do you like about being a dentist here?
Well, for one, I like to be able to help people, you know,
Right.
and my way of doing that is giving them really nice smiles,
Right.
you know, beautiful smiles.
But you're not just doing that here, because you also go to the Philippines to do work there, right?
Well,
parang charity work.
I did one time,
Uh-huh.
actually, it's for friends and family. That was in 2009. I did that, and I spoke at the Philippine Dental Convention when they had their convention in 2009. So I was able to do that. You
Would
know.
you go back to show business in the Philippines? Maybe you can be like the dancing dentist, DD.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, diba? The dancing. Oh.
I don't think I'm probably too old for that.
You
kidding.
never get old. You still look the same as you did
Oh,
when you were
thank you.
dancing
You're
body
so
dancer.
nice.
Very quickly, your secret in staying young.
What do you
Having
mean,
a great smile.
Secret?
Oh.
Of course. You have to fix your teeth because really it takes the age off.
Right. 3 most important things to think about when we take care of our teeth. Flossing.
No, that's one. They say if you are gonna be stranded in an island and you have 2 choices to have with you if you're stranded in an island, a toothbrush or a floss. You're better off with a floss than with a
toothbrush.
That's it.
All right. Thank you so much. We will end on that note. That's the number to call on the screen. Ang ngiti ko po, alagang Brookshire din po yan.
Yes,
Kaya
signature.
Yes. Well, actually, you know, okay, so flossing is number 1. Ano pa yung dalawa pala?
Checkups with the doctor. That's very
How
important.
often is it?
Average, you should do at least every 6 months.
Every 6
But
months.
if you have periodontal condition, periodontal disease or gum disease, then you should come more often.
Okay. And then toothbrush. How often do we change our toothbrush?
Every 3 months.
Kahit hindi pa sira.
Well, yeah, it wears out, you know, after 3 months. It's not effective anymore. And use only a soft bristled brush.
Bakit ganon?
Because you don't want to damage your gums either.
Ayan. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Frida Brookshire.
Thank you for having me.
And more power to you. Again, that's the number on the screen. Tawagan niyo po sila. They will definitely take care of you kasi sila po ang nag-aalaga sa akin. Thank you for joining us today on the show. I'll see you again tomorrow.